In this video, we're going to see how to use landing page conditions to display content to visitors based on which page they first entered your website on. Let's jump into our Logic Hop conditions and go ahead and add a new condition. I'm going to call this one Entered on About page. And you'll see in our landing page we have two different options. This is the landing page the first visit. This means the first time the user visited your site. And then we have another one, which is landing page current visit. That's for the current session. So depending on how you want to message the visitor, you can use either their very first visit or the current visit. In this instance, we're going to use the current visit. Now, one thing we want to look at is the details here, and that lets us know the visitor's landing page from the current visit, and it's the WordPress slug with slashes. So for example, about-page, and that's if your page is titled About Page. Your home page would just be a single slash. Now we have a couple of different options here that we could say is not, contains, does not contain, is case insensitive. I'm going to use this one right now for is case insensitive. I'm going to jump to my site and just take a look here. I'm going to go to my About page, and you'll see that my About page is just /about/. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to use that. So we'll see, we can go ahead and publish our condition, and now we have our Entered on About page condition. Now, we're going to make use of this on our home page. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to our home page, and I'm just going to go ahead and click Edit. So what I'm going to do is open the Logic Hop palette and choose some conditional logic, which is if, I'm going to choose if else, and I'm going to use the condition Entered on the About page. I'm going to insert this. I'm just going to break this out onto new lines. Just makes it a little easier to read here. And you'll see I have two different H2 tags. One is entered on the About page. The other is did not enter on the About page. I'm going to go ahead and update this. Now let's go ahead and open this up in a new incognito window. And what this is going to do is give me a new session. So this will be totally unique and has no Logic Hop data until we first open this window. So now we can say did not enter on the About page. Now I'm going to go ahead and visit the About page. And I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back to the home page, and it still says did not enter on the About page. So anytime I navigate around the site, it's going to keep track of that. Now I'm going to close the incognito window, and then I'm going to open a new incognito window. So this is a brand new fresh session without any Logic Hop data, including the landing page. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the About page, and that is now our landing page. So we've landed on the About page. Now if I go to the home page, our condition triggered, and now we see entered on the About page. So this is a really useful condition that you can use on its own, or you can combine with other conditional logic. So you can use this in your content. You can also use this for logic bars and in logic blocks as well. So thanks for watching this tip of how you can personalize Logic Hop based on landing pages and how a user entered your site. If you have any questions, be sure to email us at info@logichop.com.